वेळसावच्या नागरिकांनी आता RVNL चो दबाव कित्याक सोंसचो असो प्रश्न गोंयचो एकवटाचो संस्थापक वांगडी ऑरविल डोराडो रॉड्रिग्स हाणें उबारला. वेळसाव हांगच्या खाजगी रेल्वे मालमत्तेचेर घुरी घालून ह्या जमनीचेर बांदकामाची सामुग्री आनी यंत्रां हाडून उडयतात. तशेंच गांवच्या लोकांक आनी गोंयचो एकवट वांगड्यांनी रोयिल्ल्या झाडां RVNL निर्दयपणान हुमटावन उडयतात असो आरोप ऑरविल हांणी केला. ही झाडां रोवपा फाटले उद्देश त्या वाठारांतल्यान वचपी रेल्वेचो आवाज आनी कोळशाचें प्रदूशण कमी करपा खातीर आसा. देखून RVNL हे बेकायदेशीर रितीन जमनीचें अतिक्रमण खपोवन घेवचे नात अशी शिटकावणी ऑरविल हांणी ह्या वेळार दिल्या.
We are here in the most peaceful village of Welsom, and as can be seen, RVNL is here encroaching on private properties which are age-old, kept by our ancestors. Today they are making encroachment, dumping their material, construction material. Their construction machinery is sort of invading our areas. They are invading our areas, yes, you can see, with a big police force. I mean, what is this? Is this the way that we have to bow down to the pressures of the RVNL? Is this the way that we are subject to, the civilians? Why are we, the peaceful citizens of Welsom, subjected to such treatment? What wrong have we done? And this is, by the way, this is private property. The landlords are here agitating. No land acquisition has been done in this area.